latest meteorological observations and outputs of numerical weather prediction models indicate that there is a low pressure area that is going to form over Southeast Arabian Sea, and this is the latest satellite image. There we can see over Southeast Arabian Sea there's a lot of clouding taking place, which is going to concentrate into a low pressure area by around 14th of May. And the numerical weather prediction models indicate that the system, after becoming a low pressure area on 14th of May, is going to further intensify into a depression, deep depression, and by 16th of May it is going to be a cyclone. So this system will move northwestward away from the coast of southwest peninsula. So even though the system is going to be over East Central Arabian Sea, while it is a cyclone or deep depression or depression, it is going to be away from the coast. Its center is going to be away from the coast over East Central Arabian Sea. Still, it is going to have weather impact over coastal regions. So if we are talking about Goa, there is no heavy rainfall that we are expecting up to 15th because of this system, but there could be an increase in rainfall activity on 16th and 17th. So please be regularly updated with the forecast and warnings issued by IMD. Now regarding wind warning, the larger impact is going to be over Lakshadweep Maldives area and south East Arabian Sea, where the wind speed could be of the order of 60 to 70 kilometers per hour, even gusting up to 80 kilometers per hour from around 13th or 14th May itself. Squally wind speeds of 40 to 50 kilometers, gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour, that can be expected over the coast of Maharashtra and Goa on 16th May, whereas the same wind conditions will be there over Kerala, Karnataka coast starting from 14th of May itself. And the sea conditions also will be rough over Maharashtra Goa coast by 15th or 16th of May, and by 14th itself the sea conditions will be rough over Lakshadweep Maldives area and Kerala Karnataka coast. So the main warning is for fishermen. Fishermen out in the deep sea are advised to return to coast by 14th of May itself, and fishermen are again advised not to venture into Southeast Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Maldives area by 13th May itself, and not to venture into Kerala Karnataka coast, East Central Arabian Sea on 14th May, and over and along Maharashtra Goa coast from 15th of May. So this is the diagram of distribution of wind speeds. We can see that 40 to 50 kilometers per hour wind speed is there over Southeast Arabian Sea, which gradually increases up to 45 to 55, and then up to 50 to 40 to 50, and reaching even up to 60 kilometers per hour over Goa coast and Maharashtra coast on 15th and 16th of May. The system is continuously being monitored by IMD, and the forecast will be updated regularly if there is any expected deviation in the intensity or location of the system from the forecast. So please be regularly updated with the warnings, and fishermen are once again requested they should please be returning to coast by 14th of May who are there in the deep sea, and completely suspend fishing activity over Lakshadweep Maldives area by 13th itself, and Kerala Karnataka coast by 14th, and Maharashtra Goa coast by 15th of May.
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारान. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याचबरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरुवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरुवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.